TVJ's Weather Report. Today we have Kevin Kelly, a student of St. Jago High School, who will educate us on hurricanes. Kevin, we'll pass it to you.
So thank you, Jayla. I'd like to start by telling you guys what a hurricane is. So a hurricane is a large rotating storm with high-speed winds that form over tropical waters, also known as warm waters. And a hurricane is also known as a tropical cyclone. A hurricane is formed when warm moist air rises and it is replaced by cooler air, and then the cooler air will start to rise and get warmer, and then the cycle causes big clouds to form, and these storm clouds will begin to rotate with the spin of the earth, forming an organized system. So is that considered a storm or a hurricane? Yeah, that's a storm. But if there's enough warm water, the cycle will continue and the storms and the wind speed will grow, causing a hurricane to form inside. Kevin, can you give us some ways in which Jamaicans can prepare themselves for a hurricane? Just make sure you stock up on all those canned foods, and you make sure your roof is secure. You cut loose branches, you make sure that there's no tall trees near your house, and you'll be good. Yeah. It was nice having you. Thank you for having me.
And that's all for TVJ's weather session. Thank you, and see you next time.